So we're at the iFootage stand right now. We have here their new slider, the Pico Slider, which is a mini small slider that is actually comparable that you can actually use it with a DJI Osmo Pocket or with your phone, and actually makes it a quite interesting setup for like your content creators and actually mobile videographers and your like pocket videographers. And yeah, like myself right now, I'm filming myself with a DJI Pocket 3, and that'd be actually interesting, like having a combination with like the DJI Pocket, having it on a slider and it be motion controlled. So they have like a system that you can actually also control the camera tilt and pan of the Pocket. They're also coming out with a jib, a slider with a jib, and that is also connected with the DJI Pocket and can be connected to via the USB-C. And yeah, it's quite interesting at iFootage that they're yeah, making these kind of like interesting accessories actually for users with the pockets and also for like mobile filmmakers. And yeah, definitely interesting to see like the slider technology, how that will still be changed with the use of like a DJI Pocket. Also, something quite interesting, the light behind me is on a flat base. So you can see that big light is on a base that is flat. So it's actually quite interesting stand that iFootage have. So it's securely for like if you are, yeah, just is more secure because there's no legs to kick, and also you can use like water bags to actually hold it down. But right now this light is just standing on the base with its own power station on the base, holding it as the weight for it, and it can hold it quite well.